Alright guys, we are out at Gingerman Raceway today in the Camaro SS 1LE. This is my first track session, proper track session in the car. We are in track mode, suspension's in track mode, steering's in tour, traction stability control is off, and windows are up so you guys can hear me. We're gonna do a couple hot laps in this, see what it runs. Tires, brakes, all seem to be holding up quite well in this. Heat management here is excellent. The vehicle is completely stock. I'm running some slightly higher temperature brake fluid, and that's it. No lift shift on the back straight. Braking at about 123 miles an hour, hard on the brakes, turning in. Not the best bite from these stock pads. You gotta get into the pedal deep for them to hook up, but so far they seem like they're doing okay. Braking point here is right at the top of third, turning in. The front end traction here is absolutely insane. The torque feels fantastic. I am really liking the way this SS1LE handles so far. Goodyear Supercar 3s needed a bit of heat in them to get some grip, but once they do, they really hook up. We have the factory alignment, so no track alignment today. The traction here is just amazing. Super neutral. Harder than I push, I feel like this car has more and more to give. Most of everything is in third gear. These Recaros are doing a pretty good job keeping me in the seat. Coming in behind Jake here in his Mustang. See what type of time we put down on that lap. It's already quicker than the Type R was last season. Brakes are feeling a little bit tired. So visceral, so many G-forces. Really a fantastic setup here on the stock tire. You can really use it to drive with the throttle here. Feels great on transition. There's just so much tire under me. Fuel cut 143. We're knocking seconds off every lap. See if we can clean up this turn one here a little bit. We're just gonna leave it in third, ride that torque out. deeper into the brake pedal there. Experience. Pedal's getting a little bit squishy, so I think we're going to do a cool down lap here and give the brakes a break. These are still stock brake pads. And we have not installed the V or 1LE brake ducts. Oil temps look good at about 250 or so. Hard to tell exactly. Trans fluid temp, same deal. Tires say warm. What does the G meter say? .2G, 1.22G. The grip here is just awesome. Pressures look about right, 34 all around. I might take a little bit of air out, but I don't think it needs it. Ah, what a pleasure. All right, so Camaro SS 1LE. Cooling feels about right. Brakes, I think. We're not gonna push it today. Half a cool down lap and they seem like they're back to normal, but again, this is the first time they've been bedded in is today on track, so we're gonna give them a little bit of extra time to cool off here on the straight.